here today in Huntington Beach working on an event called the Food Rescue Challenge. And what we've done is we've taken food that's not retail ready from our stores and brought it here, where we've invited some celebrity chefs to take a look at what's been donated and transform that food into elegant fare for attendees of Expo West to sample tomorrow.
Myself, along with a few other chefs, we're going to be turning sort of what would be waste into something that's not just going to be edible, but it's going to be absolutely delicious.
I am doing miniature pot pies. Found a lot of pie crusts that were about to expire, lots of frozen vegetables, and then we're actually using deli meat.
We're going to make like a leche tigre, like a Peruvian-style ceviche sauce, and toss that with some fresh corn and the crab, and then we're going to make like little tostada like circles and then fry them and then kind of serve like a little ceviche bite.
We are doing a little bit of a Korean-Mexican fusion, which is definitely a signature trait of Roy Choi. We are doing enchiladas, so you're gonna have a nice mixture of both the Latin and the Korean style infused into one.
I'm actually really excited. I feel like we just have the finishing touches. I think it's gonna be really fun to bring our meal and see if people like it.
Kroger's always been committed to making the world a better place. 1 in 8 people in the US struggle with hunger, and we've got 40% of food that is thrown away, and that just doesn't make sense. We want zero hunger so families can live better, and we want zero waste in our company so our planet thrives for future generations. A huge component of Zero Hunger, Zero Waste is food rescue. We work with over 129 food banks across the country. In 2017, we have donated 70 million pounds of safe, nutritious food. We don't want any family in a community we serve to go hungry, and we don't want any food in our store to ever go to waste.
Zero hunger, zero waste is something that really resonates with me, and I feel really passionate about it.
At the restaurants, we try to aim for as close to zero waste as possible, obviously, because I don't really believe in the idea of buying things to throw them away.
The way that my family raised me and the way that we lived in Los Angeles throughout our whole life is I never really understood waste because everything that came into our house was used or repurposed or donated.
It's a really great thing to raise awareness and to help people to understand how important it is to not waste food and to repurpose it as much as we can.
The Kroger company will be making donations to each of the chef-selected charities, and we want to work with you again in the future and learn from you and share zero waste techniques with our customers and help them reduce waste at home. So thank you so much.